Wow.
So welcome back to the next
Oh,
installment.
hang on. Right, go for it.
For sake, Dave. Welcome back to the next installment of Tools and Track, doing what is now no longer a yellow MR2 but a white one.
Watching Gianni do manual things is actually quite entertaining.
There we go.
Day 6 in the Big Brother house.
Your skirt's now still attached to this.
I know. So I need to pop it. There's two under here, but I don't think that's going to bend enough. I don't want to break this bit because I need to keep this. They're quite hard to come by.
You know what? I'm going to go and change.
Don't ever change, Dave. Like 2 more pumps in that drill would have even fit under there, but got to conserve the energy in these cold winter nights, mate.
There we go.
Listen to how it is, man.
The wings definitely aren't going to fit. They're far too narrow.
You think?
Yeah, 1,000,000%. They're only, I would say, 50mm or something wider than stock. It's just they look wider because they're flared out at the top end. But I think where the actual lip is only maybe like a 40 or 50mm over fender kind of almost, so they'll be far too narrow, I think.
Alright.
Is my prediction on it. I think they'll look quite cool on if they were the right width, but I don't think they'll be the right width.
Come here, guys.
You're right.
There's a wee bit of
Are you going to crack up now, man?
Oh, that sounded good. There's still one at the front that looks a bit.
the rivet's been snipped too early and it's sticking out past.
And who did that? Was that you?
No, I never really. It actually wasn't me for once.
Wouldn't it be great if G did one project at a time so we could put the car in the garage?
He never does that.
The yellow one will never leave.
Well, if it has to go in the garage, it's because it's raining outside, and if it's raining outside, that car won't be outside. Otherwise, you could just do it in the driveway. That's why this car will never go in the garage.
And that is the government gospel. Oh, do you want me to remove this from your face?
on
You
the
need to
head.
use your face to hold things up, David.
Oh, we're going all out. And nothing moved.
That's bonded on.
Like that, a boy. That a boy.
Quite hard though, there's not enough dish on them.
Establish that.
Yeah, just behind Gianni's feet.
It's the one with the boat. Dude, do not, don't, no.
I don't think there is a screw in there.
Are you honestly telling me that despite the fact that you can look in here and see a nut, that there's not a nut in there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Gianni will now present me with a 9 and an 11mm spanner.
Yes.
And
But
tell
so-
me, just make the best of it. Let's see your happy face when this doesn't go according to plan.
Obviously it's not. Everything's going to need a bit.
Do you want me to open the door?
No, the issue is actually this light. Getting in the way.
That's your only issue right now. Remember, to sit there to line up with the holes where it fits.
Oh, boys. Dave, move your hand. Aye.
Well, that's exactly what the yellow ones are like as well. That's why when everyone's like, oh, the engine's done, we've got to drive it, and I'm like, no, the front end needs completely reworked.
I think for the effort that you're going to have to put in shaving this and cutting this and, for want of a better word, fannying this up to make it fit, you'd be better getting someone just to make one from scratch off that.
I think it's time we remove Chewbacca.
Can everyone attached to it?
Oh, right, you do your scrapey scrape. Always good when you're chapping in injectors.
Oh, there you go.
Keep this hand. They're
Right,
down, so-
did you squish that injector?
What one?
The one you're holding.
I gave you this
This-
one.
this one.
Did he just give you that look to the camera?
No?
I thought it was mallet.
I mean, we're not out of the mallet woods yet.
To be fair, if it's mallet time, you can always go and address your wing. Can I get a device that will turn this whilst making clicky noises? I'm not even saying it by this point.
Oh wait, does it need to make clicky noises?
Yes.
You want a torque wrench?
No, a 3/8.
You're going to need to say it, Tommy, otherwise he's just going to pretend he doesn't understand what you're talking about.
Right. Rocker covers.
Massage this massage. Yes, my lady.
Right. Your rocker covers are on. I take it we want to put on these retaining bolts that are guaranteed to leak oil all over this freshly.
Just put the T-spark or whatever it's called on it.
The what?
Loctite.
Loctite.
I knew what he meant.
Loctite's exactly what this engine needs to put together with.
Mate,
But the
you
red
pulled
stuff-
it apart and you put it back together, so if it leaks.
Loctite 680, Tommy, that's what we want.
Stop putting me down! I always get so excited for you to come and then remember instantly. You just slag
you're the
everything.
butt of the joke.
Why did you do this? I always thought, right, I think I've done everything right for Tommy this week. I'll be doing it.
It's the only way to learn, though, Gianni. Unfortunately, it's a hard,
Is people being angry at
it's
me?
a hard, horrible learning curve. But
I mean, if there was a curve involved, I'd be happy, but no. It's just the same cheap arse.
You need to use the other bolt.
Guaranteed not to leak until the engine is started.
it's a very good way for Gianni to constantly tell whether there's oil in the engine.
This is true.
Because if it's leaking out, there's still some there.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it can't be any worse than the oil leak it had. Does it taste like salt and vinegar?
Aye, it actually does.
Oh! That is super salt and
Did you
vinegar.
actually taste it?
No, but I took a good waft at it. Does this stuff dry clear?
Oh yeah, definitely.
No. Yeah, okay. Dave, you look as thrilled as ever.
Always, mate.
Are you here just for ballast to hold the car? in case?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Aye.
Dave's just here for his weekly gossip.
I would.
Did you hear that this guy done that?
I would actually hand Dave the gimbal and do some work myself, but the footage I've had from earlier on in this episode that I've edited is pretty much like just this.
I like the close-up stuff.
Good, isn't it?
Or yeah, chat, blah blah blah. What the f***'s going on? Oh right, aye, there we go. And at this point, I'm too afraid to ask.
That's it. Start it up, boys.
Get a crank. Chuck a wee bit of easy start in its arse and we'll be good. Are you filming the filming?
Yeah.
Are we that bad?
It's filmception, look.
Jesus.
I think I rounded that one.
Dave's just really testing everything, including my patience.
No, he has actually rounded it.
Oh, my gasket's getting used possibly.
Right. Assuming that this gasket that we need is actually in here.
There was one that I'm pretty certain is not, but I'm thinking we could probably template it with a bit of paper.
No, it's just one of those MR2s like Paddy McGuinness had, which is now what this will always be known as. No lackey, no lackey.
No!
Also, the one gasket that I need that I've had to look in there is already not there.
Why does it smell like salt and vinegar? It's so strong.
That's what silicon smells like.
You'll appreciate this, Dave.
Oh. That's something.
It really is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that you? What's going to do that part? I'll wait till I get your face so you can do that expression you do. We had a big watch party every day. Tommy was round. We had popcorn. Some cock porn.
Oh. Do you like cocktails?
I wanted cocktail.
I can tell you some
I
cocktails.
wanted cocktail.
Manifold.
Really? I feel like there's other stuff.
Oh, aye. Well, what we'll do is, where's your HT leads? Let's look at the HT leads next.
David.
Now is the point where we find smaller
the
diameter
spark
HT leads than the
plugs?
ones that we took out.
Want plugs?
Are we putting plugs in it as well?
I've got new plugs, mate.
Did we take the old plugs in?
I think they just fell in.
We didn't put them back in when they're on compression test.
So that's been sitting with open chambers for like 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you're too short, Gianni.
those are the best jokes. Continuity. This is what viewers really want to see.
ASMR.
My fat dick Peter's pumping a spark plug into a f***ing TV's. Calibrate. I can't wait for us to turn the key in this. Nothing can happen.
Lots of fluids.
And will that be because of the injectors, or the spark plugs, or the distributor, or what will it be?
All of the above, or bonus box, anything else.
You know how long it takes to clean up?
I know. But the thing is, it's all you have to do.
That was right in the eye.
Actually,
Show people your apologize. Watch it, David. Watch it.
I'm so tempted to Jumel these in, but with them being actual spark plugs, probably won't appreciate that action.
No.
But then again, I don't have all f***ing night.
JDM. Right, you know what's JDM? Judy Fears is Japanese for being I'm not going to do any accent.
No, if you do an accent on that, we'll get banned. So
very-
let's not do
very
that.
close to doing a Predator 2.
Oh, can you do the Predator noise? Do the Predator noise. That's not
It's
racist.
no, it's not actually Predator I was going to do. It was the Voodoo Magic Man. Oh, I can do a Predator noise. Now then.
It's number 6 then. I'm hoping it's not the shortest of our problems. Really? That's 9.
That blue really complements the red.
In a real 90s Fido Dido way.
It's very max power.
It's very unbelievably wild. Oh.
How you know it's been
Do you know what?
modified?
And the thing is though, do you know what the blue and the red really complements? The bright and the yellow. Oh, Dave!
That never hit the floor.
I just rinse it, mate. It's look. Don't worry about it.
I'm trying to get to.
Jesus, man.
I'm trying to find the other hole.
Why?
Just wait till you hear a scream, then you know you found the other one.
Why? Has she fallen to the Communist Party?
Look how much cleaner it is. Where did the?
All these bits that are much cleaner could have been taken out with the engine still there.
It could have been thoroughly as clean.
Yeah, but then we wouldn't have had anything for people to not watch because it's dull as because we don't do anything to all the paint bits.
You guys.
Change the plug leads though for smaller, thinner plug leads.
Actually,
That are blue.
But they're blue
So you know
to go with the
it's
red, to
modifying.
go with the yellow.
I can't even get into this. I can, but I can't.
Nobody watching can get into this, mate.
I don't care. I hope your channel flops after this is done.
You check the torque I've put in these.
Yeah.
Alright, good choosing it.
I wanted to compare it to what I've done.
Right, rotor cap and rotor arm.
It's really not easy to get in there.
That's what she said. Never.
I'm trying, but it's getting a socket.
Is this Gianni doing his thing
I
again?
think the other one
I
had a
just don't know how
screw.
to get these dishes.
Don't know how to do it.
Right, pull it off, right?
The first time you
Right.
asked me to do that. My pee.
What I love about the junction we're at now, I'm putting on the inlet manifold, which isn't exactly unclear about what it needs to attach. There's no more nuts and bolts left for it. None.
Should be.
There's none. Remember this big thing? That's not going in any further. Great.
Did it work?
I've got no idea.
What do you call a deer with no eyes? Blind.
What do you call it? Do you mean no eggs and no legs?
Still blind. That sounded like it was going on sideways.
Again! It's just the gasket's a bit of a funker. Also, you're missing many things from this, okay? Let me give you a rundown. So, we're missing a nut from here, a gasket from here.
That nut was always gone.
Here's the look again. It absolutely wasn't always gone.
Honestly, when I took that apart, there was something missing, and I'm like, I've got. Do you want me to?
Now you will see. The distributor cap is on.
Well, we are now 743 hours into this. We're no further forward to the first start. My last blown away in this gale force wind.
It feels a bit like the film Alive. Now when the plane crashes and like the.
Do you want to
yeah.
eat my ass? That's a wrap. We're called. We're wrapping it up here. Thanks for watching this far. Because we're now what? 6 episodes in?
Is it as
I don't even know where this is. Aye, it really does. I don't even know where this is going anymore. But I do know that in the next episode we're going to try and start this guy, and it will start one way or another. We've also got a radiator to sort out the cooling issues with it, and after that, short of an exhaust, it's ready to go.
Time to move on to the white one.
So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing this far. One more episode to go and that guy will run. For all the Patreons, appreciate the support. For all the ones that haven't, come on guys, hit like, hit subscribe, do all the stuff that's on the screen, and we will see you next time. Cheers guys.
Gianni, do you use Just for Men?
Why is that offensive? Oh yeah, I see now.